Okay, so we just saw from our picture that 2/3 plus 2/9 plus 2/27 plus 2/81 plus 2/243 ... equals 1. Now, you were trying to say something when the camera was off, but I didn't want you to say anything. So what did you want to say?
Well, you can write this as, you can use the sum notation.
Oh yeah, you definitely could use the sum notation.
It's the sum of 2/3 to the n from from 1 to infinity.
Very good, very good. Where'd you see that sum notation?
I don't remember, but I remembered it.
N equals 1 to infinity of 2/3 to the n equals 1. Yeah, you're absolutely right. This is how math people would write it. And these symbols, all this symbol means is you sum these numbers up, and n goes from 1, so you get 2/3, and then when n is 2, you get 2/3 squared,
which is
the ninth, and then when n is 2, you get, when n is 3, you get 2/3 cubed, and 3 cubed is
27.
27, and so on. So this is the shorthand.
Cool.
Okay, and so we just saw some geometry that explained how this equals 1.
Yeah.
But I want to see if we can see from the numbers why this equals 1.
Well,
And this is kind of what you and I have just been studying, right? Fractions and decimals.
Well, we also know that if the 1/2 plus 1/4 plus 1/8 plus 1/16, that equals 1 too.
Oh, okay, awesome.
So
1/2 plus 1/4
plus 1/8
plus 1/8
plus
plus 1/16 plus 1/32 plus equals 1. That's something else we know. Do you know any other things that equal 1?
Well, maybe 3 over the powers of 4.
You think?
Well, 3 over 4 plus 3 over 12, 3 over 16 plus 3 over 64, 3 over 256. Well,
You think that equals 1? Do you know that equals 1, or do you think
no,
that
I
equals
think
1?
that equals 1, but these are all powers of 2. So maybe but we're going to need more of that. If we did 1 over, it wouldn't quite equal 1. Well, I can kind of see something.
What can you see? This is actually a really interesting little side table.
Well, when you have a sum like this, you've got n over n plus 1 to a power.
Yeah. Now, can we take a second just to talk about this? Because I'm really glad you mentioned that, and then I'll get to what you just said. You thought this was a great conjecture by you, and you thought this maybe equals 1. We knew this one equaled 1, right?
Yeah, and all of these numbers are powers of 2.
Yeah.
But
Just out of curiosity, what's 1/2 plus 1/4?
1/2 plus 1/4, well, that's 3/4.
And you tell me this one. What's 1/8 plus 1/16?
It's 3/16.
What's 1/32 plus 1/64?
3/64. So these actually equal each other.
Yeah, you see how you get this series from that series?
Oh yeah, cool.
Yeah, that is pretty cool.
There's kind of a little formula you can make for this.
Yeah, so actually let's go to D, because I didn't expect this. That was awesome, by the way. Good job, Sweetie Pie. Good job. So let's go to D for a second.